So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website gigabyte.com. Okay, and then you can search button to click, and then enter your model number of motherboard Z890 UD Wi-Fi 6E. Then hit enter, and then click to product. After that, click on model number of motherboard. Then click to support. Select your operating system which is required. If you Windows 10 any use, so installations process same. USB driver. So ID USB driver, click to download. And it is completed. Just open and double click. Click to yes. And it is completed, and we close it.